Hello again. Hello more time. This is Teacher Rod talking friends. This is our next series of videos of formal, informal. So friends, if I want to say use informal, so I have to say informal, utilize, utilize. If I want to say start, so I have to say initiate, initiate. So if I want to say work together, so I have to say collaborate. If I want to say work together, so I have to say collaborate. So if I want to say talk, so I have to say communicate, communicate. So if I want to say improve, so I should say enhance, improve, enhance. Interesting.